Okay, what can you see in front of you? We have six monsters. Six monsters with different shapes. Six monsters with different shapes. Can you see the first one? It's like triangle, triangle. Here we have circle, circle. Here we have rectangle, rectangle. Different color, red, green, purple, and here we have blue, and here it's yellow. So our lesson today is a question game, lesson 3 in unit 6. Now open your book on pages 90 and 91. Open your book on pages 90 and 91. Okay, question game is the title of our lesson. Question game. Question game. So we need now to play a game. Look what we have in front of us. Three monsters. Three monsters. We have different shape here. What's this? It is rectangle. What's this? It is circle. We have here two legs, but here only one leg. Also, we have words. What are they? They are WH words. Can we read them together? Do you still remember them? Excellent. When, when, when. Who, who, how, how. So here WHO, so it's who. HO, how. WHE, when. Can we read what we have under it together? Yesterday, yesterday. On Monday, on Monday. On Friday, on Friday. On Sunday, on Sunday. And we have here a boy, a girl, a monkey, a mouse, a cat, quickly, slowly, loudly, and carefully. Okay, we have another tree. Red one with four legs. It is rectangle, rectangle. Here, one is green with two legs but one eye, and here question mark. We read the words, the WH words, questions. What, what, where, why, why. So what ate an ice cream? What ate some cheese? What made a cake? What drank some milk? What ate a banana? Where? Ain. In the kitchen. Where? In the classroom. Where? In the kitchen. Where? In the garden. Where? In the zoo. Where? In the living room. So here we're speaking about house. Kitchen, kitchen. Living room, living room. Classroom, where is classroom? In the school, classroom. Garden, garden. And zoo, where we can see the animals. Because, why means because. Why means because. What is a thing or an animal? Where is the place? Why means because. Because he, she, it was hungry. جائع was hungry. Because he, she, it was thirsty. Ready? So play a game. Okay, so we have here our friends Rana and Tariq. They are going to play question game. So Rana ask, say the WH question. Tariq answer. Rana ask, تسأل. Tariq answer, يجاوب. So Rana, when? Tariq, on Monday. Rana, who? Tariq, a cat. Rana, how? Tariq, slowly. Rana, what? Tariq ate an ice cream. Rana, where? Tariq, in the kitchen. Rana, why? Tariq, because it was hungry. Because it was hungry. So now we are going to listen to Rana and Tariq. We are going to listen to this example.
Listen and point. When? On Monday. Who? A cat. How? Slowly. What? Ate an ice cream. Where? In the kitchen. Why? Because it was hungry.
So now, when? On Monday. يوم الاثنين. On Monday. Who? A cat. A cat. A cat. A cat. How? Slowly. ببطء. Slowly. What? ماذا? Ate an ice cream. Ate an ice cream. Can you see in the picture? شوفوا فيها. Ate an ice cream. Where? أين? In the kitchen. في المطبخ. Why? علاش? Because it was hungry. Because it was hungry. So, on Monday, a cat slowly ate an ice cream in the kitchen because it was hungry. Ready? Okay. I will say the WH question and you are saying the answer. Again. When? Who? How? What? Where? Why? Again. When? On Monday. Who? A cat. How? Slowly. What? Ate an ice cream. Where? In the kitchen. Why? Because it was hungry. Hungry. جعانة. It was hungry. Okay. We are going to choose another example. So here, we wanted to choose. We have when and choose one word from here. Yesterday, on Monday, on Friday, on Sunday. We have here who, a boy, a girl, a monkey, a mouse, a cat. How? Quickly, slowly, loudly, carefully. What? Ate an ice cream. Ate some cheese. Made a cake. Drank some milk. Ate banana. Where? In the kitchen. In the classroom. In the kitchen. In the garden. In the zoo. And in the living room. Why? Because he was hungry. Because she was hungry. Because it was hungry. Because he was thirsty. Because she was thirsty. Because it was thirsty. Ready? So when, choose one from here. Who, choose one from what we have under it. So now we will choose another example. Okay, can you give me now? When? Okay, when? On Friday. Who? A monkey. How? Quickly. What? Ate a banana. Where? In the zoo. Why? Because it was hungry. يبقى يوم الجمعة monkey quickly بسرعة ate a banana in the zoo في الحديقة because it was hungry كان جائع. So again, when? On Friday. Who? A monkey. How? Quickly. What? Ate a banana. Where? In the zoo. Why? Because it was hungry. Because it was hungry. Another example. Can you see here, Gare? Drink water. No, it's not water. Milk. Drink some milk. Where? In the garden. In the garden. So, who? The Gare drank some water. Where? In the garden. Why? Because she was thirsty. Okay. So, when? On Sunday. Who? A girl. How? Carefully. بعناية بحذر. Carefully. What? Drink some milk. Where? In the garden. Why? Because she was thirsty. كانت عطشان. So on Sunday, when? On Sunday, who? A girl. How? Carefully. What? Drank some milk. Where? In the garden. Why? Because she was thirsty. Because she was thirsty. So now it's time to open our activity book on page 76. So open your activity book, please, on page 76. What you can see here, lesson 3, in the past. We still in the past, في الماضي, in the past. Draw a line under the ed at the end of each word. So here we have verbs. We have verbs, clean, walked, played. So what are you going to do? Draw a line. What do we mean a line? Like this. Under what? ed. Can you see play? Played, ed, we make ed under it. We make a line. Another example. Talked. So here we need to draw a line under what? Under ed. Quickly do that, please. Draw a line under the ed at the end of each word. So ed at the end, ed at the end, ed at the end. What we need to do? Underline. Draw a line under it. Draw a line like this one and this one. Try to complete the others. Look, what we have in front of us, it is number 2. Number 2. In number 2, we need to listen. Listen to what? What sound do you hear? So we have here different sound. Write the words. We need to write the words from number 1. The words from number 1. Then color the shapes. So we have here 3 sounds. We have here 3 sounds. What's this sound? Can you see? Played. And this with what? ed. Washed. And this with what? ed. Visited. And this with what? ed. But this ed after a verb, ed, sometimes have the sound د, like played. Played. أحيانا الصوت متاع ed د like played. أحيانا ت like washed. Washed. And أحيانا ed like visited. So played, played, repeat after me, played, washed, 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 and visited, visited. So played, washed, visited. مع أنهم كلهم ينتهوا بإي لكن واحدة played, washed, visited. Played, washed, visited. So now you are going to listen and decide if it is like played or like washed or like visited. Ready?
Listen. Which sound do you hear? Write the words, then colour the shapes.
Brushed, washed, walked, kicked, played, cleaned, watched, liked, listened, talked, painted, looked, visited, started, needed, finished, smiled, danced, lived.
Listen. Which sound do you hear?
Now we are going to write the verb which ends with ed under each sound. Is it like played, washed, or visited? Cleaned, 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 played, cleaned. Listened, listened. Lived, lived. Smiled, smiled. Talked, talked. Walked, walked. Liked, liked. Finished, finished. Locked, locked. Watched, watched, watched. Started, painted, needed. Okay, now we have number 3. But before we start number 3, we have a look here. So, are starting now number 3. Number 3. Okay, so now we are going to start with this one on the box. These are verbs in the past. They are regular verbs. They end in ed. Played plus ed, played, played. So play became played. Live because it ends with only d, so it's becoming what? Lived, 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 lived. Okay, so now we speak about what? Regular verb. Regular verb, we change the verb from present. This regular verb, it's when we change a verb from present, like play, to past, played, we add ed. We add ed. So now, number 3, read and circle the correct verbs. What's the meaning of read? Like this. So this girl read a book. Read. So read. Circle. Read and circle. Read and circle. Circle what? The correct sentence. Look at this sentence. Yesterday I brushed my hair. So here we speak about what? Yesterday. أمس. Yesterday. So بنقول I brush or I brushed? I brush or I brushed? Can you tell me which one? Brushed. Why it's brushed? Because it is regular verb. With regular verb, we change the verb and we can add ed, only ed. So yesterday I brushed my hair. I brushed my hair. So what kind of this verb? عندنا نوعين من الأفعال. أول واحد regular verb. We have a verb in present and we add only ed. They end in ed. تنتهي ed in the past form. So yesterday I brushed my hair. I brushed my hair. Look at this girl. She brushed her hair. So here, which one? Brushed. So we have ed. Why ed? Because regular verb. Regular verb, we add ed to the present form of the verb. So brush, present, but brushed, past. And this one, it is regular verb. We add ed, yesterday. Now the second picture and the second sentence. Yesterday, he washes his face. We still yesterday, أمس, in the past. Which one? Can you see this boy? Wash. يغسل, wash his face. So which one is correct? Washed. Why washed? Because it is regular verb, we add ed. Now we go to number 3. Yesterday, he played football. So look at this boy. He played football. Yesterday. We move now to another sentence. Number 4. Yesterday she cleans her bedroom. Oh, she is a good girl. Can you see her? Yeah, she cleans. So which one? Clean. Why? Because it is a regular verb. It is present plus ed. Add ed. 5. I watched TV. Okay, which one? Mohammed, can you answer it? Watch. Excellent. Watch. Why? Because regular verb add ed. Ends with ed in the past. Can you see yesterday? Here we start yesterday at the beginning and here we put it at the end. نقدر نكتب yesterday في البداية ولا في نهاية الجملة. Yesterday and yesterday. Number 6. They talked to their friends yesterday. Okay, which one? So, what kind of this verb? It is regular verb. We add ed because it's regular verb and it is in the past. How do you know it's in the past? Because of yesterday. The last sentence. Yesterday I visit my grandma. أنا هي زرتها yesterday. Yeah. Which one? Why? Because it's regular verb and we add ed.
Listen and check your answers. Yesterday, I brushed my hair.
Yesterday, he washed his face.
Yesterday, he played football.
Yesterday, she cleaned her bedroom.
I watched TV yesterday.
They talked to their friends yesterday.
Yesterday, I visited my grandma.
They painted a picture at school yesterday.
So now we are going to write two sentences, and these two sentences in the past. We start with what? We start with yesterday. So yesterday I played football. Yesterday I watched TV. Yesterday. So here you need to write what? You need to write two sentences. Okay, question game. We have when, who, why, and we finish with regular verb. How can we put a verb in the past? كيف نحطه فعل في الماضي in the past. With regular verb we add only ed. نضيف له ed. So now it's time to say goodbye.